Now we will learn place value. To write the number of, it is a very important to know the place value of each digit in the number. Every number is written with the help of digits 0 to 9. The digit value is depends upon the place of digit where it is in the number. For that, we should understand the following chart for place value. Here is one number given 9281. So we write down the places of each digit on the upper side of each number. That is, 1 is at unit place, 8 is at 10 place, 2 is at 100 place, and 9 is at 1000 place. So that place value of each digit in 9281, we write 9th as 9 is at 1000 place. So we put 3 zeros on the digit in the 1000 place. 1000 प्लेस पर जो डिजिट है उसके ऊपर हम लोग 3 zeros लगाएंगे. Now 2 is at 100 place, so we put 2 zeros in front of 2. Here is 8 is at 10 place, so we put 1 zero in front of 8. 1 is at unit place, so we write the number digit as it is, which is at unit place. So we get number 9281, that is 9281. Now the which questions are coming on the place value? So first question is find the place value of underlying digit. So here what we do to find out, we write down the places of each digit. So here we write unit, 10, 100, 1000, and 10,000. So 5 is at 1000 place. So we write 5 PH 1000 place is equal. The place value of 5 is 5000. Now in this number, we again write unit, 10, and this is 100. We can write these places up to where we want to go. Here 8 is underlined, so we stop here to write the place, and we write here 8, 8. That is, we put 2 zeros. 8, 100. So again here we write down the places of each digit. Unit, 10, 100, 1000, $10,000, and lakh. So we write here 6L and put 5 digits on it. As here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits in front of 6. So we put 6 digits in front of 6. So that 6 place value is 6 lakh. Now we will go to the further. Find the sum of the place value of underlying digit. So again, we have to write places of this digit. So here we write unit, tens, hundred, thousand, and 10,000. So here we write 3 TTH is equal 30,000. We put 4 zeros here. And 200. So we write down here 200. And what they told us to do in the question, they told us find the sum of place values. We write down the place value of underlined digit. Now we will do the addition, sum of the place values. These are the place values. So we write 0, 0, 2, 0, and 3. Now I am waiting for you to solve the second sum. I am giving you 2 minutes to solve this. You have to first write down the places of digits and then just write down the place values of that underlined digit and add them. Okay. So it is at 10 place and it is at 10,000 place. So I am now writing it directly place value. It is a 60,000 plus so here we get 60,000, 50 is our answer. Now here I am teaching you the shortcut to find out the place value. As we have less time to solve this type of examples, and these type of examples are very easy. So we can use that save time to another question. So instead of doing all these steps or instead of doing all these steps, if they ask us sum of place values of underlined digits, so what we do? It is a 7. So we write 7. Instead of these 2, we write 0. Instead of this 6, we write 0. Means what we do? The number digits which are not underlined, we put zeros for this. And we write this 8 as it is. So it is our answer for this sum. So you now get, it is clear that you can find out the sum of place values of underlined digits very easily and orally. Now Next type of question is find the product of place values of underlined digit. Means first we find out the place value of underlined digit and then we do the product. Product means what? Product means multiplication. So here it is a कितना भी बड़ा नंबर होने दीजिए, it is very easy to find out the product of place value of underlined digit. So we write down here 5 zeros in front of 5. And multiply it, product पूछा है हमको, with 200. So इतना बड़ा नंबर है और हमको मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने का है, लेकिन हमको डरने का नहीं है. The easy method, what you have to do, you have to write down first all these zeros coming in both numbers. So here are 5 zeros and here are 2 zeros. So we write here 7 zeros. And just we multiply these two numbers. Remaining these numbers we multiply. 5 to the 10. This is our answer. Here, now you have to solve. I will waiting for you. Write down the place values of these two digits and then multiply it. So it is at 10,000 place. So we put 4 zeros in front of 6. Multiple by 50. Now we put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros here. And we multiply remaining numbers. 6 5 are 30. So this is our answer. Now solve this. So here it is we put 3 zeros in front of 7. It is 1,000 place and multiply by 8. 8 is at unit place. Now here are 3 zeros. So we write down that 3 zeros first and multiply these two numbers. So this is our answer. Now, next type of question, find the difference between the place value of underlined digit. So we first find out the place value of underlined digit and they ask us find a difference. So we do here subtraction. So first one I will solve for you. Second and third you have to solve. Here is 5 and write 4 zeros in front of 5. Minus, as they ask us difference between 400. And here we just do the subtraction. 0, 0, 6, 9, and 4. As we cut this and write here 10. 10 minus 4 6. Then we again cut here, write here 9. As this one came from, we can forward this tens to here. So we write down here 1 from this tens to here. So we write down here 9. And we cut this 4. Here again it is a 0, but we forward 10, 1 from this 10. So we write down here 4. And 11, 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 0 is 9, 4 minus 0 is 4. Now you have to find out the difference between place value of underlying digit in second and third. So first solve the second one. Okay, very good. So here again I am writing place value of 6 minus 50. So here we cut this, write is 10. Here write is 9. Here write is 9. And here we write is 5. And 5, 9, 9, 1, 0. It is our answer. So you have to write solve this third one. Now here we write 7,000 as 7 is at 1,000 place minus 8 as it is at unit place. And then 10, 9, 9, 6, 9, 9, 2. Just check, is it clear? Correct the answer or nine? Nine? Is it clear to all of you? Very good. Thank you. Welcome.